In today's video, I will show you how to customize your keyboard in Samsung phone. First, you need to have the Good Luck app. If you don't have it, download it from Galaxy Store. Then open Good Luck and then open Keys Cafe. Make sure to download it first or upgrade it. We are on the home screen and you will see some statistics of your utilization of the keyboard. Then go to keyboard and here you can see many custom keyboards. You can choose one of them or create your own. Here you will choose the color and the background. Also, you can choose the effect that you want to apply when you write on the keyboard or on the key color or on the key motion. Then you can go to sound and here there's a lot of sound that you can use when you touch the keyboard. To custom the letters color, click on this button and here you can choose between different colors and the border color. Also, by clicking here, you customize the color of the letter itself. Also, you can make your own keyboard. Press on Make, select the language you want to adjust, and click on the plus button. Then click on Edit. And here you can add many characters to the keyboard. Just drag and drop. And that's it. Now your Samsung keyboard is customized. Subscribe for more Samsung tips.